It's gonna be a hell of a night. Oh, it's gonna be a hell of a night. 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 Oh, it's gonna be one hell of a night. It's gonna be a hell of a night. When to remember. It's gonna be a hell of a night.
Hey YouTubers, it's me, Meme.
What's up? It's me.
And this is us.
Today we will be doing the
Nature's Wild Berry Challenge.
Nature's Wild Berry Challenge.
I got this off of Amazon. I seen a couple of other YouTubers doing it. And of course, like we've been doing everything lately, we want to try it too.
So on our tray, guys, for the things we'll be eating, we have pickles, olives, sour straws, lemons, limes, and what are those?
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit. So we have to take these. The instructions are to chew for 30 seconds, moving the berry around your mouth. Swallow berry and enjoy the new sweet taste you get from sour foods.
Yes, it says make sour taste sweeter than sugar in 30 seconds. So let's see.
Woo.
Let's give it a try. This is
And
it.
it lasts for 30 to 40 minutes.
What?
Yes. I'm glad I don't plan on eating after these. Do you eat both of these?
Yes. It says you're supposed to chew both of the berries.
You don't smell really good.
Remove both halves of the berry from the package and place in your mouth. Place recycling bag in. Well, we know that.
Well, we know it's
Okay, chew for 30 seconds, moving the berry around your mouth. Swallow the berry. So let's see. You got two halves?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is what the berry look like. It's just two little small berries. You already start chewing? Wow. Okay, let's try.
You don't taste like yours, so.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Don't just swallow it. Move it around your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like a little.
One of them candies.
Mm-hmm.
It's a candy that tastes just like them.
How many seconds? I'm trying to make it last just a little. 30 seconds.
Has it been enough for 30 seconds?
I'm gonna screw around with it. What y'all been doing lately? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Y'all had any ideas, any conversations y'all like us to talk about, any challenges y'all like us to do? Now's the time, honey. We're new. We're learning everything, so we'll just about try and do anything.
What is this?
I just came in there with the
Okay, it's been 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It don't really taste.
It don't taste like that, but I don't understand how it's gonna alter our taste buds.
Better work.
It better work. If it don't, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I gotta eat the olive first. No, it might do.
Cause I don't like it, and I like olives.
It's like a bold taste. Like you can taste every piece of the olive.
You know what it tastes like? Somebody sprinkle a little sugar on the olives.
Like that.
Yeah, I don't like that, but I like olives. Let's take something sour.
Sour sauce.
Sour sauce? Which one you want?
I'm gonna get the blue.
I'm gonna try green. They taste sweet.
Yeah.
You don't taste sour, it tastes sweet.
I don't like sweet stuff. Curry.
First of all,
I don't like that.
yeah. Yeah, I don't like it. It made it taste like real
You
sweet.
took it out.
I don't like it. It tastes too sweet. Okay, wanna try lemon?
Well, yeah.
If y'all tried this before, let us know what y'all think. Like, was it,
Peel it.
did it alter y'all taste? But now, if this don't make us cringe, because now you just can't bite a lemon. No, I know that for a fact. Well, I can't. Some people can. That's it.
Change the whole taste.
It's a sweet lemon.
Oh my goodness.
I don't like it.
Ooh, I don't like sweet.
I don't like it. Tastes like somebody, you know what it tastes like?
Sugar.
Yes. Somebody sprinkled sugar on
All of it.
all this stuff. It's not sour like I don't like it though. Because I don't like sweet lemons.
I don't like that. What about the lime?
Ooh.
It's nasty.
It's not like, you know what? I wouldn't even really say nasty.
Not nasty.
It's just not the normal taste.
Yeah.
It tastes sweet. Like somebody, like if you like lemons with
lemons. So
sugar on them. Yeah.
I'm gonna just bite this because I know it's not gonna be good.
A sweet lime.
I don't like it. It's not good.
Oh my God.
It's not good at all. It tastes just like sweet, like
Yeah.
really sweet.
Everything tastes real sweet. I'm perfect for this because I'm not gonna lie to you.
This needs to get
If it was not
20 to 30 minutes.
So for 30 minutes, everything we
20
eat.
to 40 minutes, everything gonna taste sweet. I'm just not gonna touch anything because everything gonna be nasty. Grapefruit.
Definitely a sweet lemon. I mean lime. Everything tastes sweet. You want to try this?
I'm only biting little pieces.
Well, this part, well, grapefruit, we know it's not. Well, you know, grapefruit still had that little twang to it. Let's see.
I don't want that.
Sweet, sweet. But some people put sugar on grapefruits.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I would just eat it.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
It's just extra,
I
extra
don't
sweet.
like none of this stuff.
Yeah,
Because I really thought it wasn't gonna do nothing because how dry it tasted
Mm-hmm.
when I ate it. It tasted like a candy. What is that candy called? I don't know, but it tastes like a candy. It didn't taste like it was gonna change anything. But yeah, let's try pickle because pickles are my favorite.
Okay, let's see.
And I don't like sweet pickles. You do. You probably like.
I like
it.
sweet pickle.
I kind of like this.
It's still sweet though.
It's sweet.
And it tastes like you're eating a piece of, like you got a piece of candy in your mouth, and you eating stuff with it. Because I guess it's just the taste buds. Yeah.
This is probably the best thing.
Definitely alters your taste. Definitely make everything taste sweet.
And nasty. Right, I wanted to try another one of these so bad.
Taste sweet. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Let's try it. I wonder if it work for a chip.
Let's see.
Let's try it on a chip.
The chips got lime in it, so it's like a little
Twang.
It's hot, but it got a little twang.
Yeah, we're gonna try it and see if it works like with chips. We know like with the sour fruit, all of that, but we're gonna try see what it tastes like.
Even the chip tastes sweet. Like somebody just pour a whole bunch of sugar on the chip.
Yep. How does it change your taste buds?
Crazy.
Oh, no, does it change your taste buds like that?
Cause these chips are good.
Wow.
It better be gone by dinner. That's all I know.
Yeah. That's weird. It's really weird how it does that, but it do. Sweetness without a sweetener. True.
Well,
this is a Nature's Wild Berry Challenge, so.
It was fun to try.
Yeah, y'all should try it.
Of course.
Yeah.
But I don't like sweets.
What else? Something?
I don't really eat sweets.
No.
Now that I think about it, I don't really eat sweets. I just eat like chips.
I eat sweets, but I like it to be sweets.
Strawberries would have been disgusting.
Yes.
No.
Well, no.
Some people put sugar on their strawberries.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I don't put sugar on none of my fruit. I just like the fruit regular. They just taste like, yeah.
I'm gonna try lime one more time. I'm gonna try lime one. I mean a lemon.
Try my other pickles.
Something real strong.
These are the only thing good.
I know y'all far enough in the video to go ahead and like and subscribe.
Subscribe, share. This stuff will make your stomach hurt. Eating too much of it.
It's like a sweet
will
lemon.
Make your stomach hurt. And I'm just not feeling it.
Yeah. Would you do it again?
No.
Because it makes it too sweet.
Yeah.
Everything's too
I don't
sweet.
like sweet stuff.
Yeah, it's good to try. Like we want to try.
So if you eat something sweet, will it make it sweeter?
You want to try? What do you want to try?
What's sweet that we got?
We have some cakes or cookies.
Yeah, let's try cookies.
Okay, I'll be back.
Let's try sugar cookie.
Okay.
Oh, that's probably gonna be real sugary. Well, those chips are really good. These are delicious. but they taste like somebody just sprinkled a whole bunch of sugar on them. It's not good. So now we're about to try a sugar cookie.
Of course, every video I have to get up and leave. That's
her at this point.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a sugar cookie that we got from
Tiff Treats.
Tiff Treats. So let's try it.
It just tastes like it's drenched in sugar. It tastes like a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
More
it's already
sugar.
sweet. Yeah, just, yeah.
It tastes like more sugar than what it is. Because sugar cookies are good. But that tastes like
yes,
real sugary.
So it's just a little fun challenges. Our challenges don't last that long. Yeah, we don't want to drag them out. Challenge is a challenge. It is what it is.
It was fun.
So if you want to try it, it's the Nature's Wild Berry.
Can you see that? I can see it.
Yeah. So give it a try, and it definitely changes your taste buds. Send us some of your stuff. Let us review it.
Right?
Because we'll try anything. So
yeah, we will. So if you got, what's some things called?
What?
Like little shakes. People make the little...
Oh, weight loss stuff. Right now I'm using the, I'm trying to, let me show y'all this.
The NutriBurst. Is that what it called? Well, I didn't say it.
What?
I don't even know if that's really what it's called.
I'm trying this, y'all. So I'm on a challenge, a weight loss challenge with myself, just to get healthy. So I take this every morning, and I take the tea that go with it. I'll keep y'all posted. Right now, let me see, I wrote it down.
She take a shot a day. This is the shot, the top lid. Don't you? That's how you take it, right?
No, I take what it says on here.
Cause you know, do you take your lid off and?
No, I see people do that, but I just.
I've seen people do that too.
No, I do mine. I just do it the way I said, like 1 tablespoon.
Oh, yeah. Cause I've seen people put it in the top.
Yeah, I know. I just do like the 1 tablespoon. I don't know. You put it up to yeah. So I don't know if it works. I'm gonna try it. But when I weighed myself, when I started.
You started like.
I got it a Friday or Saturday in the mail.
A couple days ago.
Yeah, so I weighed 174. So I'll let y'all know if it worked. We'll see. We'll see. I definitely been wanting to try it. But I don't know about it. If we keep doing these whatever
chronicle drive-throughs.
I
don't know if that's gonna work.
I don't know if it's gonna work either. But anyway. So again, this was fun. Quick little challenge. Hope y'all like it.
We'll like the talk that we talked about on Wednesday. If you haven't seen it, go back and go watch it because it was worth the watch. And
what the F?
What the F? And
friendships.
All of them. Just go watch.
Yeah.
All of the Wednesday talks.
Yes. Great talk, great conversation. So go back and watch them. Go back and subscribe, share, have your friends support. If y'all have a YouTube channel, once again, let us know. We'll check it out. We'll also support your channel back. So.
And drop a sunflower in the comments.
Drop a sunflower in the comments. For support. Okay. So that's it for this video. And I'm Mimi.
I'm me.
And don't forget to blossom.